Hey, hi guys, I hope you are doing really well today. And today we would like to welcome you on behalf of presentationwork.com because now we are going to explain to you that how you can make moving circular motion paths in PowerPoint. You can make these wheels spin around. So this is very simple kind of thing which you can do in your PowerPoint to impress your audience. So let me show you like how this actually works. So if you go to your slideshow mode and you click, then you will see that these circular setting icons are actually moving, and this is a really cool effect which you can use in your PowerPoint presentations to impress your audience. And I am going to explain to you that how you can simply make some animations and make it work in just simple steps, and this is not a complex kind of walk. So before we get started, I would like to tell you that you guys must subscribe to my channel so that you can get all the latest tips and tricks and all these kind of objects in future directly into your email. So if you subscribe this channel, then obviously you're going to get all the latest updates. So do not forget to like this video and share it with your friends. And now let's get started and let's do something to make it work. So first thing you have to do is that you have to add a slide here. I already have a blank slide, so I'm going to use this. And then the second thing which I'm going to do here is that I'm going to the Google Images. You can see that you can use this URL like Google Images, and then you have to write here setting circle PNG. The reason we are actually searching this setting circle with PNG is that we need a transparent picture which must not have a background, so that we must not get into trouble. So here you will see a lot of different options, but I have selected this one because this one does not have any background. So you have to download this, and once you download this image, then navigate to insert tab, and under the images section of your PowerPoint, the settings pane, the ribbon band, then you have to click on the picture, and once you click it, then you have to import the circular path which you actually downloaded from Google Images. You can resize it by holding your Control and Shift button so that the resolution of the picture must not be lost. So if you make like this box here, then you can Control and C to copy it, and then press Control and V to paste it again and change its size to a different one, so that you can make different circular paths work in a similar pattern like I have shown you before. So you can make 3 or 4 different circular paths as I'm doing it here, so like this. And then once it's done, now the second parts come to actually animate them. Okay, so now we are all set for the animation. So the first step is now completed. Moving on to the second step, which is animations, we have to click on the animations tab in ribbon, and then you have to click on the animation pane so that you can see what you are animating here. So the first thing you're gonna animate here is that I'm gonna make it a little smaller so that it looks cool. Okay, like this, and then yeah, it looks better. And now you have to select this one, okay, or maybe you can select all of these like this, and then go to animation, and you'll see a spin emphasis animation option. Okay, so you have to click on it. So once you click on it, you can see that in preview all of the circular motion paths are actually working, but there is a problem. The problem is they're going too fast, and you need to make them a little slow down. Okay, and for that you have to do some arrangements here, and that is like in your ribbon section, you see the durations tab where my mouse cursor is now pointing at. So you have to increase its time from 2 seconds to 4 or maybe 5 seconds. Okay, and once it's done, then click on the first one in the animation pane, right click on it, go to effect options, and then you have to go to the timing, and you can see that there is a repeat button. Okay, and we have to do something with this repeat button, which I'm going to explain you a little later, so that you must not get confused. The first thing we are going to do here is that we are going to make it automatic, and for that we are going to click on the drop down menu of start, and we are going to select the after previous option here. And once it's done, you have to go to your slideshow mode, and you can see that these boxes are moving really smooth, and maybe some adjustments are needed just to drag and drop, so that you can fix the the edges of these circular paths with each other in a sequential manner, so it looks really natural. So you can do this, but I'm gonna do a second thing, and that is like when you go to slideshow mode, then after 4 or 5 seconds this animation stops. So how to make it work completely until the end of the presentation or the end of the slide? So for that we have to complete a third step, and that is like you have to actually select all of these boxes once again, right click in the animation pane on any area of these 4 objects animations, go to the effect options here, and as I said earlier, you have to navigate to timing tab, go to repeat drop down menu, and then you have the options that repeat them 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, or until the next click or until the end of the slide. So I'm going to choose here until the end of the slide, and then click OK. And now when you go to your slideshow mode, then you can see that it's working automatically, and it will not stop until this slide ends. Isn't it cool? So I hope you guys like this video, and you will subscribe.